Good morning, everyone. I am Nika Natividad, and my topic is about reliability and ways to measure reliability. So, let's start. What does it mean when we say reliability? If we are pertaining to a people or thing, it is the quality of being trustworthy or performing consistently well. So, in Tagalog, palagi nating maaasahan or mapagkakatiwalaan. But in our subject, reliability refers to the extent to which an assessment method or instrument measures consistently the performance of the student. It means that it refers to the degree to which scores from a particular test are consistent from one use of the test to the next. And always remember that reliability is a very important piece of validity evidence. To know the degree of being consistent of a test, we can use reliability coefficient. This is technically defined as the ratio between true source variance on a test and the total variance. The total variance has two components, the true variance and the error variance. The true variance refers to the true differences on the score, or it is more stable, while the error variance, these are variances from other sources like in test administration, scoring, or interpretation. Or ito yung mga walang kinalaman sa variable na tinetest. For example na lang, kung papaano ina-administer yung test, yung lugar ng testing, yung state ng test taker, or minsan nasa test construction din. So may mga questions siguro na mahirap intindihin, kaya may mga instances na hindi nagiging consistent ang test. But the goal here is to lessen the variance attributed to error variance. Pag nabawasan ng error variance at matira ang true variance na mas stable, at pag mas stable ang score, syempre mas reliable na ang test. There are various methods on how to measure reliability, and these are test, retest reliability, parallel forms reliability, the split half reliability, and the internal consistency reliability. At i-discuss natin yan isa-isa later on. First one is the test-retest. It is a measure of reliability obtained by administering the same test twice over a period of time to a group of individuals. For example, as the title suggests, ang ginagawa sa method na ito ay ipapatest sa parehong sample of test takers ang isang test. Usually, may ilang days, weeks, or months na interval sa unang test at sa retest. Kapag correlated ang score using person R ng mga sample sa dalawang test, ibig sabihin ay mataas ang chance na reliable ang test. The test-retest reliability measures a test coefficient of stability and used in tests that measures stable variables like traits. Second one is the parallel or alternate forms of reliability. What is the difference between these two? When we say alternate forms, it talks about the different versions of the test, while the parallel, this is a different versions of test and more similar compared to alternate forms. Kumbaga, yung parallel forms is 1:1 copy ng bawat isa, pero magkaiba lang ng konti sa presentation. So they have the same logic, different forms, same concept. While alternate forms, reliability measures a test coefficient of equivalence. So the main advantage of this method is to avoid memorizing answers, unlike sa test and retest. Pag na-memorize na ng test taker yung tanong, may idea na siya sa isasagot niya sa retest. But this method is a time-consuming kapag different versions ng test ang gagawin. So, hindi siya medyo practical. Then the third one is a split half reliability. This is basically splitting a test into two tapos ipapa-administer ito sa isang sample ng test taker. If correlated ang scores ng dalawang test, pwede nating sabihin na reliable ang test. How to split the test? We can use the odd-even reliability. Sa method na to, hinahati ang test ayon sa assigned number sa mga test items. So as the name suggests, ang unang half ay ang odd-numbered items at ang pangalawang half naman ay ang even-numbered items. Then, i-correlate ang mga scores dahil nahati ang test sa dalawa, may chance na baka maapektuhan ang pagme-measure ng ating test sa variable na mini-measure niya. Number 4 is the internal consistency. It is a measure of reliability used to evaluate the degree to which different test items that probe the same construct produce similar results. Ang ginagawa sa method na to ay kino-correlate ang bawat items ng isang test sa isa't isa. Ang assumption kasi kapag correlated ang test item sa bawat isa, ibig sabihin na isang variable lang ang mini-measure nila. Kaya applicable ito sa mga test na may isang variable lang na mini-measure. Or yung tinatawag na homogeneous test. Kapag nahati ang test, may chance na bababa ang internal consistency. Para masigurado na may internal consistency pa rin ang test kahit nahati na ito, pwede tayong gumamit ng Spearman-Brown formula. Aside from Spearman-Brown formula, we can use other methods of estimating internal consistency. Number 1 is the coefficient alpha. This is the most famous and widely used method, or also known as Cronbach's alpha. This is recommended for test with non-dichotomous items, gaya ng mga ginagamitan ng Likert scale. Then, another one is the Cooder or Coder-Richardson 20. This is used for test with dichotomous items, gaya ng mga responses na merong yes or no, agree or disagree. Now, I have here a pop-up activity. So, if you want to answer, just open your mic and don't hesitate, or type your answer on our chat box. So, it says here that one of the following tests is reliable but not valid, and the other is valid but not reliable. So, can you figure out which is which? In number 1, you want to measure student intelligence, so you ask students to do as many push-ups as they can every day for a week. Number 2, you want to measure students' perception of their teacher using a survey, but the teacher hands out the evaluations right after she reprimands her class, which she doesn't normally do. So, guys, I'll give you enough time. 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes will do, or kung meron na kayong isasagot, just open your mic and share your thoughts or opinion regarding this pop-up activity. That's all for my topic. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for listening. God bless you all.